Hi everyone, welcome to the WARC Kyrgyz tutorials. My name is Bakyt and I will be helping you in this process. But before we start, let me ask you a question. Did you know that on average people spend 90,000 hours working throughout their lives? Pretty a lot, right? So today we're going to learn about professions. Let's get it started. To begin with, the word kesip means profession. Meanwhile, the word cumuş and iş mean work. From here, in order to say questions about the profession, we say, Senin kesibin emne? What's your profession in an informal way? In the formal way, that would be Sizin kesibiniz emne? What is your profession? In the similar fashion, we can say, Sen emne cumuş kılasın? What do you do? In the formal way, that would be Siz emne cumuş kılasız? What do you do? Another way would be Sen qayerde işteysin? Where do you work? Or in the formal way, that would be Siz qayerde işteysiz? Great! Now, let's learn about the names of the jobs in Kyrgyz so we can respond to those questions. The first one would be mugallim, a teacher. Darıger, a doctor. Militsiya kızmatkeri, a police officer. Çaçtaraç, a hairdresser or a barber. Aşpozçu, a cook. Официант, a waitress. Sodager, a merchant. Dıykan, a farmer. Aydoğuçu, a driver. Tiguçu, a tailor. Irçı, a singer. Uçkuç, a pilot. They are profession names that derive from foreign languages. Therefore, they might sound pretty familiar to you. For instance, engineer, engineer, businessman, businessman, mechanic, a mechanic. Awesome! Now, using that knowledge, let's try to answer the following questions. Senin kesibin emne? What is your profession? Menin kesibim mugallim. My profession is a teacher. Similarly, for the formal one, Sizin kesibiniz emne? We would respond in a similar way. Menin kesibim mugallim. I am a teacher. Meanwhile, for the question, Sen emne cumuş kılasın? What do you do? We would respond in a similar way. Men dıykanmın. I am a farmer. The same technique would apply for the formal one. Great job so far. That was a lot to learn. Now, let's have a look at the text called Our Family, Bizdin Übüle, and practice our new skills. Bizdin übülöbüz çoң. Our family is big. Менин çoң атам 70 жашта. Ал бала кезинен адамдарга жардам берүүнү кыялданчу. Ошондуктан ал дарыгер болуп иштейт. My grandfather is 70 years old. Since childhood, he dreamed of helping people, so he is a doctor. Çoң энем номер 38 мектепте кыргыз тили мугалими болуп иштеген. Азыр ардактуу эс алууда. My grandmother was a Kyrgyz language teacher at school number 38. Now she is retired. Эжемдин өзүнүн чоң кийим тиккен ишканасы бар. Ал 130дан көп адамга жумуш берет. My aunt has her own big clothing enterprise. She employs more than 130 people. Апам профессионалдуу ырчы. Ал комуз жана фортепиано ойногонду билет. My mother is a professional singer. She also knows how to play комуз and piano. Чоң байкем университетте философия сабагынан профессор болуп иштейт. Ал менен кечинде чай ичкенче сүйлөшүү абдан кызыктуу. My elder uncle works as a philosophy professor at the university. It's very interesting to talk with him before the tea in the evening. Кичүү байкемдин кондитердик дүкөнү бар. Ал сонун тортторду жасайт. My younger uncle has a confectionery shop. He makes wonderful cakes. Мен келечекте компьютер инженер болгум келет. Анткени кичинемден бери математиканы абдан жакшы көрөм. I want to be a computer engineer in the future because I love math since childhood. Биздин үй бүлөбүз абдан ынтымактуу. Ар бири өзүнүн кесибин сүйөт. Our family is friendly. Every member loves their job. Great job so far. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed today's episode. If you have questions, please leave them in the comments. And if you think this lesson was useful, you may like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Stay tuned. We want you to learn. Görüşkənçə.